We'll be right back. I need to get that there.
You gotta put them on the circle.
Good? Cool? Alright, you want a little back there, nice and nice. Okay, everybody. Attention, right now. My friend Dylan just made a carry on right. Can I get a round of applause?
Here you go, take those out too for me. Take your rims out. Pop those out the back.
Alright, hold your basket and follow me right out.
Yeah, I got
Just push it out. There you go. Push it out.
I got those out for you.
You did.
Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to build them now, okay? So just watch me. You can build after. Make sure the drill's all the way on that screw and press the black button here. When you push the rims together, make sure the words are facing up.
Okay.
Make sure your colored walls are. And then it'll go onto the car just like this. If you need any help, just let me know. My name's Chris. Are you ready? Alright, go ahead and do the drill first.
Alright, everybody,
Keep going, keep going.
let's give a round of applause.
There you go. Good job. Good, bud, you gotta do yours.
Push the button.
Over there. Push that. Good job. You got another one.
Hold on, wait. Put in the first. There you go. You got it.
No.
Yeah, I got it now.
You got two more right here?
You got two on the front though.
Oh, yeah.
Pop those in. Smell? Yeah.
You gotta wait, don't push it yet.
Push that down.
Wait.
Now you gotta snap those rims together.
You gotta put the rims in it.
Now what?
Let's see, these are your back tires. Those are gonna go right here.
Get it tired.
Push them on real hard.
Look, you gotta turn it. Look, the mirror's gonna be up
There you go.
No, but big the other one.
Well, that's another back one there.
The other way.
Yeah, we got it now, Tata.
Oh man. Alright, you can try those two front ones.
You gotta push this one right. Look.
Uh-oh.
How's it going?
Oh.
Sweet, now you gotta throw it on the car. Push really hard. Push it. Get it on there. Push hard. Harder. Look at right here. Ready? Yeah.
That scared me.
Put it in here. Look.
Try now. Hold it still. Now you can kill it.
There you go. Turn it.
Right? Imagine doing like 100 of these a day. Frustrating. Almost. There you go. Try that tire now. See if it works.
Got it.
Sweet. High five.
There you go.
High five. There you go. The opposite, huh? That's why you don't push it. Push the button right there on the top. High five. Good job, bud. High five.
Oh my god, this is empty.
Put the lights. Push down. See the lights? Go ahead and hold your guys' cars up in the air. Show off your cars. Attention, ride makers. Give my PQ round of applause. They built their new rides.